I wish candy corn was a vegetable. I have to eat lots of fruit if I want to grow up to be a beautiful butterfly. Oh, now that's a good flavor. That's yummy. I think I ate a watermelon seed. I hope I don't grow a big watermelon in my tummy. This fork is the road. Which way to go? Apples, crab, or yummy dessert? Ooh, animal crackers. Oh, I love animal crackers. I hope this box is not as empty as my stomach. Did I come to wherever you are? I just love sweets and sweets. They are my favorite things to eat. I'm so full I cannot move. Excuse me.
The candy's right here.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Now going back for a second. Oh, my favorite candy corn. Oh, delicious. Oh.
Candy corn right here.
Oh, I'm so full I cannot go one more step. Please, everybody, to stay seated while I stop and take a little break and digest all this food. I'll be back on my way in just a moment.